Inyeze,
Yes.
this is you. I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
I was actually on my way to the palace so I can beg Ebuka to steal you out for me so I can see your face. I've missed your face.
I missed you too.
So, where are you going to with your bag?
My services at the palace are over. The king is dead.
What?
He died in the early hours of today.
I knew it. I knew it. He appeared in my dream last...
He did?
I'm going to miss my king.
Same here. Prince Ikimba is jubilating in the palace.
They will fail eventually. They are going to fail. Let me take you to my mother. I want you to see my mother.
No. I want to get to my kingdom first. After which I will come see your mother. Okay?
Oh, okay. In that case, I'll go with you to your kingdom. Then we'll come back and see my mother.
What?
I'll go with you to your own kingdom. Then we'll come back together and see my mother.
Okay, fine.
Okay, let's go. Let me carry your bag.
Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Come on, baby.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.